Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to quickly find and share your SavvyCall scheduling link so your clients can book time with you. No back and forth messages needed. First, open your browser and go to SavvyCall.com. Log into your account and you'll land right on your dashboard. This is where all your scheduling happens. On the left menu, click Scheduling Links. Here, you'll see all the links you've created. Each one leads to a specific calendar or booking type. You can even add another scheduling link if you need separate pages for different services. Click on the link name to open its settings, then hit the copy icon at the top right. This copies your public link to your clipboard instantly. If you want to make it more memorable, head to the Settings tab and change the end of your URL like savvycall.com/your name or /coaching. It's a small change but makes your link more professional. Now, paste your link anywhere your clients can find it, such as Instagram bio, email signature, website, direct messages. When they click the link, they'll see your calendar and pick a time, no need for back and forth scheduling. And that's it. In under 2 minutes, you've got a clean and professional SavvyCall link ready to share. Perfect for coaches, freelancers, or anyone who wants to get booked faster in 2025.